Kuna mandugu zetu na madada zetu ambao wametoka Kenya wameenda kutafuta greener pastures ughaibuni, si ndio? Si wako? Wakienda huko wanapata the green pastures are stand red and black. Si ndio kweli? Even when the country, which is Kenya, which went to negotiate for them to get that job opportunity, is unable to bring them back, the world is moving to and fro like a drunken person. There are our brothers, our country Kenya went and signed a treaty, a peace treaty of work relationship with Russia. Our brothers went there for greener pastures. Now when they are being killed, our country is unable to bring them back again. Why? The country, this world, is moving to and fro like a drunken person. Even if you will say one term or two terms, there is no one who is coming to make these things better. From spiritual point of view, from theological point of view, the world is going to a wrong direction. Things will not be better. Home is calling friends. Nyumbani inatuita. Even in our own lives, the cost of living is high. Hata mseme nini, one term, two term, the cost of living will still keep going high. Hata yo mwingine akuje mwenye mnataka, the cost of living will still keep going where? High. As Christians, we should understand better and we should know that the scripture is being fulfilled. Nyumbani inatuita. Jobs becomes unstable. Leo uko na kazi, kesho una. Nyumbani inatuita. Don't feel comfortable where you are. Things that were once celebrated, they are being replaced by opinions. Let me repeat.